In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your location on iPhone. So I'm on iOS 26. Make sure you're checking your operating system. Make sure your OS is up to date. The first thing you want to do is open up the Settings app, which is the gear icon here on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see right here, Privacy and Security. Tap into Privacy and Security. Then at the top there, you'll see something that says Location Services. Tap into Location Services. Make sure that at the very top where it says Location Services, that is enabled in green and over to the right. So make sure that is turned on. Then you want to tap on Share My Location right there to go into your Find My settings. And then once you're here, you want your Share My Location to be enabled here as well. You also need to make sure that you have no content restrictions under the screen time settings that could be blocking this feature. Once you've done that, I want you to open up the Find My app here. It looks like a little radar. Tap into Find My, and then what I want you to do is hit the addition symbol right here where it says People. So tap on People in the lower left-hand corner, and then go ahead and tap the addition symbol right there. Once you're here, you want to tap on Share My Location. Tap on that, and then you select the person that you want to share the location with, and then tap the check mark. And then once you're here, it will ask you for how long you want to share your location. You can share it for up to 1 hour until the end of day. Or if you're friends and family, you can select indefinitely, and until you turn it off or remove that, they will always know your location. So go ahead and tap which one you want to select. And then once you've done that, it'll say you started sharing your location with, and then tell you the person that you've started sharing with. Now, again, they can see your location. In order to see theirs, they have to accept and then do the same thing on their end. And then one last way that you can share your location is through iMessages. You can go into a text message here, then you can go into an actual message, and then you can go and tap the addition symbol like you're adding something to that message, and then scroll down to where you see something that says Location. Tap on Location. It will then find your location and then give you a button there that says Share, and you tap on that, and that will share your location until you decide to stop sharing your location. So there's a couple of ways that you can do it. I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.